Hey guys, I'm back with a quick unboxing of the Bamboo Pen and Touch. So let's get straight into it. Let's have to find something sharp for that, hang on. And I'm back with some scissors. Should have had that prepared before. So this is really difficult with one hand. There we go. Okay, let's see what we get. Very nice packaging. A lot like Apple's products. Very simple, sleek. Okay, so we get presented with this here. Autofocus. Welcome to your bamboo experience. Discover, share, and let us know how it goes. Interesting. Okay, so we've got the pen here. Anyway, that's the pen. Let's see what else. We got the... Wow, that is really thin. That is really thin. I was expecting it to be a little bit thicker than that. It is quite big too, which is nice. Compare it with an iPhone 3GS. Put it to the side. Get our instruction manual and such. And I don't know what that is, but anyway, that's all we get, looks like. Okay, I'll be back with you in a sec. Okay, so I've moved the packaging off to the side, and let's take a look at what we get here. We get 1, 2, 3, this is for drivers and such. Okay, I've got a quick start guide and an installation disc. Looks like, Adobe Photoshop Elements, that's interesting. Wonder if that's just a trial. But anyway, that's just for Windows, it looks like. Adobe Photoshop Elements. Lucky that's blurred, because there's serial numbers there for some reason. Anyway, that's interesting. Ink Deluxe. And just a... so you can register your product. Cool. Okay, so we'll move that to the side. Okay, so let's have a look at what this looks like. Okay, I'll get a size comparison here for you. That is an iPhone and that is the trackpad. That's my hand. So it's reasonable. Pen, very nice, simple. Very nice. Got some buttons on here. Don't know what that does, but anyway. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.